Okay, we're right here taking a pizza that Max has just made out to the oven, and he's just gonna
right on in, right?
stick it right into this Gozney Roccbox pizza oven. You see the flame going back there? We've just cooked a dozen pizzas on this one oven in less than a half hour. It's pretty sweet. You can see it's already sizzling back there. You can see it bubbling up back there, that crust.
So that's 30. Start spinning it.
Yes. Now he's gonna spin it around. You give it about only 4 turns during this process. I think that's good. That looks awesome.
Go ahead and do
Look at that in there. That's good.
Okay.
Look at that in there. That is so awesome.
Think that's done, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. 1 minute.
Pizza.
And that is done. Look at that pizza. Yum, yum.